It is a great pleasure of mine to welcome you to the 96th Weekly Math Challenge. Before I show you the problem, as always, I'd like to go over a few points. If you're interested in proposing a problem, please email a problem and a potential solution to LetsSolveMathProblems7@gmail.com. One challenge problem will be posted every 7 to 31 days, and I highly encourage you to comment your answer along with an explanation below, keeping in mind that only unedited, non-reply comments will be accepted. Up to the first 10 people to correctly answer the problem will be recognized in the next video as shown. Congratulations, Mr. L, for being the very first person to post a correct solution to the last week's challenge. Let's recognize 9 more people. Congratulations, Extreme TDM, Mohith S N Raju, Rishav Gupta. Congratulations, Isaac YIU Math Studio, Jimmy Leung, Federico Clerici. Congratulations, Varad Mahashabde, 20-sided dice, and last but certainly not least, Yassine Zaoui. A huge shout out to every single one. Now let's take a look at this week's challenge. We start off with a diagram, and here is the problem statement. And this week's problem was proposed by Samuel Barbosa, to whom I express my heartfelt gratitude for making this week's challenge possible. The problem is, triangle ABC has incircle omega with center I, touching sides AB, AC, and BC on D, E, and F respectively. Lines AI and BI intersect the closed segment EF at P and Q respectively, such that 0 is less than FP is less than FQ is less than FE as shown. If the angle QDI measures 10 degrees, find the degree measure of EAQ plus PBF.